Oh my god, dude. I swear one day I'm gonna get this thing down right, bro. Dude, if I'm talking, we have a new rule in the room. If I'm talking for more than 2 minutes and you do not see a screen share or see my ugly face, someone please say so, bro. I was just talking, explaining everything, guys, for the last 10 minutes. Anyways, real quick, guys, welcome to the New Age Wall Street TGIF stream on Thursday. And welcome, guys. I'm in a really good mood. I'm happy that my members are doing really good, making money. I see, the volatility that we have so far in the market, and super, super pumped to take advantage of everything, guys. So, um, let's go ahead and jump right in because I've already been talking for the last 10 minutes to myself, apparently. But what I was talking about here was on the SPY, guys. This here. So I send out a midweek review on Wednesday every night to go over tickers. So then, if you've had a rough start to the week, we can reevaluate and see where we're at and try to turn your week around to be profitable, to end the week strong. So we talked about breaking above these levels and this 315 being the next resistance line on that newsletter. If you aren't subscribed, go to my Twitter. If you scroll down to my Twitter, there's a link in there, and you could. It's free. It's so if you guys are watching this after this live, or you're not a member or anything like that, it's free. You could go on there and sign up for it. Okay. But yeah, so 315 is the next stop here, and then after that, about 317 here, this fib 317.31. If we could just get some range to go up. Good, good, cool. I was wondering why there was no one like commenting on the YouTube, bro. Like I was like, okay, cool, everyone's quiet, everyone's in the room, whatever. But Jim, good morning. What up, bro? Um, so then, cool. Let's go to jumping into some tickers. Everyone's really excited about Tesla, right? What I was explaining was 327.50 is where I took a position where it held some support. If you go look at it at 327.50, we got a dip down there, and then it took off. And uh, I'm really wishing I would have held on that position for a year. It would have been nice. Um, Anyways, it's coming up on a year. It's not even a full year. Um, but yeah, so here, guys. So they already dropped the Q2 production numbers, the delivery numbers, or what have you, and way better than expected. And this Daddy Elon just keeps pulling things out his ass. To be honest, it's fucking crazy, guys. Like, if you're a bear, if you're a Tesla bear and you just fucking hate Tesla, like I don't know why you would keep on just betting against it. Like, I just don't know. Like, at what point are they squeezing them right now? Like, is this what's happening where they finally gave up and we're getting this run up now? So the thing is that we've been running up for the last 2-3 days. It's the weekend. Everything's going to be expiring today. You got to be careful, guys. I see a parabolic move, maybe happening right at the open, and then maybe a blow off after that. So you got to be taking profit and paying yourself. But see if we get a nice dip and rip here, maybe to 1200, or see what happens here at the open. So uh, so I got them, Jim. So it's already been put through, dude. I just haven't replied, but the request has already been put in, bro. Um, awesome. Um, so we did the SPY, we did Tesla. All right, and then here on Boeing, guys. I think Boeing's gonna actually get kickstarted here today too. So we got what came back down here to this 170, came back and tested this support level at this 180. Yesterday it was barely hanging on. I was kind of leaning towards this breaking and coming back down to 170 again last night, but alas, the market is pretty strong today. So if we could hold here this 184 or so, we may see 190 again today on Boeing. So I know there's people that are. I was just about to ask James, but I think today may be the day, dude. Watch. Um, so Amazon, This is dude, you guys. So part of the reason you guys see me on the TGIF string, the TGIF stream, trading Amazon. Oh, cool. We just got a new member, Charlie. If you're in here, brother, good morning, dude. So, Alberto, what up, dude? Yeah. So pretty much that, and then what was I saying on Amazon? Dude, I'm like space case because I'm so excited today. On Amazon, guys. Oh, the reason why I like trading Amazon on expiration day is because the premium is a lot cheaper. You could get lottos, and for pretty cheap, and you're making decent money off of lottos. So that's why I like playing Amazon on expiration day on Fridays, and obviously today's expiration day since the weekend, 4th of July. So, do you guys have any 4th of July plans, guys? I know this is kind of weird with quarantine, way different than in the past. So, I'm actually excited because this will be the first time I have my son overnight in 3 years. So, I'm pretty fucking pumped. Like, tens of thousands of dollars later in lawyer fees. Dude, it's been a long time coming, and it's kind of cool that the first time that I get him is actually on the holiday. So 10-day vacation, dude. I got a week long vacation waiting for me in September in Puerto Vallarta, bro. And this fucking this resort I'm going to, bro, is nice. The only thing is, I was telling you guys in the room that that the girl I was planning to go with, I don't really talk to her no more, so I'm gonna have to find someone else to go with. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. So, he's super pumped as well. Like, he's like, Dad, we're gonna stay up all night. We can make s'mores. We could watch movies, and he's super pumped about it. And he has a little dirt bike. So the thing is you guys know I'm here in the apartment, and I don't have a place to put it. But this weekend, I think we're gonna go take it out, and he's gonna be able to ride it. So he's so pumped because yeah, he plays Fortnite on his Switch. He really likes playing on his Switch. But yeah, I bought him a helmet and motorcycle stuff the other day, so he's all excited that we match now. All right, back to. Damn, dude, I need to get on Michael's level, bro. He has houses all over the place. All right, cool. So Amazon, guys, you gotta. So I'm really gonna harp down today. I will probably wait that 10 minutes. I can't guarantee it, but I want to wait to make sure if we get that dip, that I'm not screwing myself, and I get this never-ending dump, and just it's a bad time. So, all right. So then, so that I'm probably looking mostly at Amazon to trade today, Tesla, and then you guys, I don't know, Netflix was not on my radar yesterday, guys, but this thing is freaking nice. But so I think we get a 500 test, right here, on Netflix, and then the other one that hopefully we can maybe get kickstarted today, and it just trades ugly. We talked about this in the room yesterday. Is Nvidia right here, guys? So it's right at this all-time highs, ready to break out. So I'm putting it right here. See if we can get a little $15 run to 400. So keep that in mind as well. All right. The other one is Zoom. So Zoom. Who's interested in Zoom? So Zoom right here, guys. I was talking to my guys whenever this dipped down, when the market pulled back. I was like, man, some nice, maybe a week or two out calls would be freaking nice on this dip on Zoom. And my rule right now is not holding anything overnight. And so the swing was out of the question, but this thing was really, really nice. So up $20 so far. So I really, really like it here. But the thing is so right here, above 265, we could get rolling again. It may, dude. Good point to bring up here, June, is that Laura, good morning. Zoom expiration 717, 260 calls. That was a good play right there. When did you get in those, Laura? I am super jealous of that. We talked about that. I was like, man, I really should buy some Zoom right here at this bottom area. You see where I had this line drawn since the day before. It's on YouTube, brother. If you scroll up, the link for the YouTube is up at the top. Dang it, Sanchez is on it, bro. All right. Does anyone have any tickers you guys want to go over before the open here? Now we're about 9 minutes. I gotta set up my stuff. So, oh, the other one is Facebook, guys. So Facebook bounced back from that news that their advertisers were jumping ship, and we kind of just milked this all week. So we saw this opportunity on this dip right here. We said, no way, this isn't gonna keep up, and we've been kind of squeezing this out all week, and now we're getting back up here to these highs. So Charlie, oh hey, what up, bro? I was just telling you good morning on I seen the sign up come through my notifications. I was saying good morning here in a little bit. Now NOW. What ticker? What business is this company? ServiceNow Boost Data Center. What's your trade thesis on this here, Chris? On now, this has been running up here the last 2 days, dude. This is pretty nice. Oh hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah. Yeah, dude, I would trade this on some continuation here today, bro. So I mean, we got this high at 427.91, the 430. I think we may go up and retest that today. So see if we could get some volume. This thing looks like it trades pretty light. But definitely be careful with it, dude. So see if we test that 430-ish level again. Mateo, good morning, dude. I like when Mateo joins us to trade, bro. Watching all week, but for some reason didn't play. Was watching which one all week? Facebook. And then so a lot of people are calling out Apple. Yes, so Apple's gonna fucking scream today, guys. And dude, I'm gonna get a swear jar, guys. I promise you, I'm gonna get a swear jar. And every time I drop an F-bomb, at least an F-bomb, I'll put money in a jar and we'll donate it to charity or something. Sound good? Let's see in here. Yeah, dude, this Apple, bro, if we get over this 367-ish area. So, on your prep cooks? Oh, man. Yeah, no problem, Chris. I don't know if you guys like country music, but this Sam Hunt song, 2016. Woo! This song slaps. Like I was saying, this will make you call your girlfriend and tell her you're sorry that she cheated on you, bro. That you weren't good enough. Dude, Roku was a nice one yesterday as well. I don't really. We were talking about this a little bit. I really hate like on the days that it just freaking tears, like it goes on a tear, and then it seems like the days that I actually try to trade it, it just doesn't do anything. Like but the days that it actually does get going, it absolutely gets going. So right here, your support is going to be this fib, this 2360 fib at about 127, and then your next stop is 132. So if we could get jump started again and the market stays really bullish, absolutely. So Roku's like a moody girlfriend. That's funny. Got walked out, look in your eyes. You gotta. So I'm in YouTube. You gotta go to the YouTube link, and then I'm streaming live on YouTube, and then you can listen to me on the YouTube as well. I think there's a little bit of a latency if you're on YouTube, and if not, you just want to hear my awesome beautiful voice here on Discord. Then you could just leave the audio here on Discord too. Good morning, bro. Welcome to the room. Welcome to the madness, bro. Daily live stream and Discord. Sanchez, I appreciate you being so helpful, dude. All right, guys. So we are 3 minutes to the open. Everyone, today, you guys, I know it seems like a layup day, guys, but you gotta use your risk management. Keep it on point. So you don't want to be stuck in a $10 wash somewhere on the wrong side of it. It just make sure you guys are mitigating your risks, using your stop losses. All right. I would hate to see everyone just get wiped out. So make sure you're doing that. And then if you are in a great trade, you're getting in the good trend. Make sure you're taking profit and you're paying yourself, guys. And don't overhold and let that greed kick in. Let's end the week strong, all right? Let's end the first week of June. Kind of, we say first week of June, but or excuse me, July. Here on a positive, profitable note here, and then we won't feel so stressed here the rest of the month. So AZN, dude, I don't know if I could pull it up right now. Oh, the other ticker I wanted was Spotify, bro. If you guys are looking at Spotify. Yeah, this is a nice tight flag here on the SPY. So I got Tiffany on. Yep, I got Tiffany right here, guys. Dude, there's not even fucking things on the option chain this high, bro. Is it there on Tesla? Dude, I don't even see 12 anything, 12 anything on Tesla, dude.
SDS, 18 calls. September 18th, 2020. 500 contracts. IBB, 137 calls. July 17th, 2020.
I'm trying.
390 contracts.
All right, so I'm getting a little bit of Amazon here on this dip here, guys, on the towards 2900. 2900 is going to be my guide here on Amazon.
July 17th, 2020. 270 contracts.
I can't take Tesla, dude, if there's no contract, if there's no strike prices there at that level, bro. Maybe this option chain is just fucked. I don't know what's going on here. Yeah, I think this option chain is screwed, dude. Well, I don't know what's going on with it. But it's dipping right now, so it doesn't even matter. We're at pre-market highs here on Amazon, guys. I'm doing pretty well on this. There we go.
GDX, 36 calls. July 31st.
Yeah, I do, bro, but we got this bullish market here that I'm able to do these dipping rips. And I missed NVIDIA, motherfucker, dude.
CCL 15 calls. July 10th, 2020. 501 contracts. NFLX, 500 calls. July 17th, 2020. 288 contracts.
My profit target here on Amazon is $29.50 at first. Dude, that dip to 1200 on Tesla was freaking pretty, guys. Pretty. There's that dip, and see if we could get this rip and break over the pre-market highs. I'm not in because my option chain is a freaking piece of shit.
300 calls. July 2nd, 2020. 202 contracts.
Gonna pay myself a little bit right here on my Amazon.
July 10th, 2020. 500 contracts. TSLA 1,260 calls. July 2nd, 2020. 511 contracts.
Dude, Spotify freaking ripping too, guys.
3,000 calls. July 17th, 2020. 86 contracts.
Hell yeah, Pedro. Hell yeah, brother. Honestly, I made 5 figures so far here on Amazon, guys. Like, if I don't take another trade, I'm pretty cool with it. So, dude, can we get a congrats and round of applause for James, dude? Fucker, you better show me those knives that you buy yourself, dude. That's an awesome trophy, bro. So here's that 315 area that we were talking about on the SPY, guys. I know I'm not showing you here on the screen. I was kind of trading my own thing. Let me make this just two things right here. This kind of too busy here. Fran, the cheerleading man. And see, look at Roku, dude. Like, Roku's over here not doing anything after, that day yesterday. Like, it's just still dipping, and it sucks, dude. It sucks the way that it trades.
190 contracts.
Dude, I'm gonna have a shot of tequila for you today, James. I'm really pumped for you, bro. 1942, dude.
SQQQ. 6 calls. July 17th, 2020.
Oh, so here's what I was trying to explain here, guys. On the SPY, so we talked about it getting to this 315 level, that this is going to be our area where we start having some resistance. Pretty spot on here so far. So we got 315, a little spike above here, and then that pullback. So we need to kind of consolidate, go sideways, see if we could get some more buyers to push up. But this was a nice opening push here, exactly like how we planned on the SPY, to the levels that we talked about. So I covered the last two of my my Amazon too. So I'm done for the day, bro.
The XX29 puts. July 10th, 2020. 537 contracts. TSLA 1,200.
Yeah, that was pretty nice.
July 2nd.
I'm still looking at Nvidia here. Nvidia holding this 385 and having a hard time getting over all-time highs at 387 or so. Bro, I want this thing to fucking move your ass. YouTube, bro. I think Sanchez will get you, bro. Unless he's in a trade. Good entry on spot. So right here, if it dips to the fib line, bro, right here at the 265.40 or so, and it holds around that level, then that would be a good spot. See how it's bouncing off of that fib line right here? So this, you want it to hold, this would be your risk right here on Spotify. And then just keeping an eye on sentiment on everything else. So I think people are kind of looking at Tesla and Amazon here, mostly. So this thing is going to sneakily make a nice move. Did Netflix make that move that we're looking for? Hell yeah, Netflix made that too. Actually, right here was a good entry on Netflix, guys. It came back to the red to green line, straight up bounce off that red to green line. So that would be your ad or your entry if you missed that initial one. So we got the little dip and rip right here into the holding the red to green line, and then see if we could get another move up. Awesome, guys. Love it, dude. Here comes Tesla working itself up, guys. You could tell that people are selling here, taking profit. It didn't run like everything else did, but we're making this like higher lows. And if we get over 1230, then we could go from there. But I don't. Dude, this option chain screwed me, bro. Well, maybe it didn't screw me. Maybe it kept me safe. God had a better plan for me. Yeah, it's still not showing over. Oh, dude, I'm reading this fucking wrong, bro. I'm thinking that it's Amazon, and it goes up to 1800. I'm a freaking idiot, dude, and I don't know how to read a damn options chain.
130 calls. July 10th, 2020. 293 contracts.
Yeah, here comes Nvidia. Trying to make that move. Let's see.
MSFT. 210 calls. July 17th, 2020. 301 contracts. MMM 160 calls. July 17th, 2020. 914 contracts.
Man, I wish I got a little bit more size on that Amazon. That would have been nice. I say that, but whatever. So now Tesla here, guys. If you got in Spotify right there, Skip,
January 15th.
that was a good entry, dude. Well, we did that pretty well right there on Spotify. But here in Tesla, guys, we're starting to get this compression here to the upside. Aww. So you've seen these Keltner dots that are printing right here. So this MACD is trying to stay above. So you could see where on this this pre-market support that it had, it's trying to hold this level right here. So you see right here where it's trying to hold. So your guide has to be this 1210,
24 calls.
and then 1200 is your absolute, like right here.
10,000
Get out if you have calls. So don't overstay, guys. Hiya, Pedro. I'm glad. I'm so happy when anytime we could trade together, bro. We have the same idea. What strike did you get, Pedro? 3,000. See how we're saying that 1210 is going to be your guide right here? This is going to be your support right here. All right, so, but the thing is we're starting to get these lower highs right here as well. So if anything, we may, this may be like we talked about the sell the news type stuff yesterday, James. We may get a nice dip down here and gap fill, which would be absolutely crazy, bro. That would be nice. We break below 1200 and it'll lose it pretty quick. And sit down, guys. Oh, this is All this excitement. I don't know if any of you guys are gamers, but I've always wondered if gaming would improve like your hand-eye coordination for trading, because it's basically the same thing. Like I feel like I'm so slow whenever I play with my son, like games. Like if I were to play like game, like it would improve my
Contracts.
reaction response.
NVDA. 445 calls. July 17th, 2020. 3 WPN.
How much did you make, James?
July 17th, 2020.
Dude, if you could treat trading like a video game, guys, you're just trying to hit a high score. You're doing good. If you can't, if you could disassociate it with this is my rent money, or this is that or this. I may just take like one contract of Amazon, bro. Pad the wallet a little bit more. So the reason I do that, a lot of you guys, if you guys see my P&Ls like on Twitter and stuff, you'll see that there's one trade that's usually like a bigger than the rest of them. It's because I use that as my anchor trade. Okay, I made my money on the day on that trade, right? And then if I want to trade other things, then I lower my size, and then that's when why you see all those little like couple $100, 600, 500, $700 trades. It's because I lower my size, and then those small trades add up. So, but and the same time, if I'm wrong on those trades, they don't hurt and take away from too much of my profit. I could still call it quits on the day and be really good. Fran, let's look at Fran, dude.
SPY. 310 puts. July 8th, 2020. 3,000 contracts.
Yeah, dude. You know what? My parents bought it for me. Like I think the last console I ever had was a PlayStation 2, to be honest. And I just now, dude, I don't even have TV in my home, so I don't have a TV at all. I just think it's such a waste of time, dude. Like, um, the only time I really watch anything, like I'll put it actually on the computer monitors, is when my son is here. He'll put on like YouTube or
7:30.
um,
February
Facebook,
19th,
and yeah.
2021. 506 MMM 160 calls. July 17th, 2020. 835 contracts.
So the SPY got up here to the same level this 315.40 guys. I'm showing you on this other screen that you guys can't see.
News. 3 calls. July 10th, 2020.
So same level right here, guys, and it said no way. We had a nice little wash right here, so it's still walking up. So there's still a chance that it may break over it. Um,
Low.
but these tickers that we're watching as well, like Amazon, just washed with it too. Amazon was marching up with it, and it just washed with it.
Contracts. QQQ.
Fran is hard to borrow.
256 puts. July 10th,
Dude,
2020.
Fran is such a stupid ticker, bro. Like, I don't understand, like, when it runs, bro, because it's just like a retail store, right? Yeah, this thing is going to get all the way back to $4 by the end of the day. Watch.
News. 3 calls. July 10th, 2020. 600 contracts.
I'm still watching NVIDIA right here, guys. It's knocking on the door of this 387.50. And Tesla looks like it wants to curl up, guys, so we'll see. 12, 1210. Should you hold Apple calls? So here, Ruben, I don't like to say what people should do or not do, but I will give you my analysis. Ooh, this one's hard, dude.
Ally 23 calls. July 17,
If we don't pop over 310 again, I would sell. If it has a hard time getting over 310 again, bro, I would sell. Or 370, excuse me. It looked like a 1. Yeah, so it's getting kind of heavy right here, bro. I would definitely take some at least some profit, and if you want to hold some. But no, I'm out of Amazon, bro. I've been out for a long time. Amazon is compressing though, going sideways here, guys. Like on a bigger time frame, it's compressing between the 20. Oh, there goes Nvidia. I missed it.
30 puts.
Um,
July 17, 2020. 507 contracts.
so there, oh, so on this range right here, so you could draw this line where this is support, right? Oops, I'm showing you on the wrong screen again. So this is support right here, right? So 29.24 or so, and then this is resistance is 29.46. So it's just playing this range right here. You exited early again. Were you in puts or calls, bro? And again here, guys, if we break 1200 here on Tesla, we are gonna have a fun time.
Calls. July 17, 2020. 3,000 ANCN. 3,000 calls. July 17, 2020. 93 contracts.
No, I didn't. I didn't get the. I was talking, dude, and I didn't get to put in the order for Nvidia, dude. But if you did, then great. Short or long Tesla, if it breaks 1200. So it broke, but it's bouncing right now, dude. So we'll see how it reacts a little bit more. Next target on Amazon. So first you got to get to 2950, and then after that, 3000 probably. Need the. Oh, hey, welcome, dude. Welcome. I didn't realize it was you. So here on Tesla, dude. Glad to see you in, dude. Um, did you take any trades? Did you get to take any trades? So here on Tesla, guys, you guys see where this where we're talking about this area right here. So this is your support right there, right? Now this has to act as resistance for it to continue to come down and break 1200. So now it's actually doing pretty good. So I'm actually gonna see if we could take some puts for this break of 1200. Being really, really cautious.
ATM 39 puts. July 17th.
If we get a nice wash on the market, I think we'll get it.
Contracts. FCX. 12 calls. August 21st, 2020. 563 contracts.
Option King. Damn, dude. Morning, dude. Picked a heck of a day to sleep in, brother. Okay, cool. Amazon. Yeah, Amazon's about to break this 2950, guys. See if Amazon could get its march on here now. Nvidia's steady just going up too. So, damn, Tesla has not been easy today.
July 8th, 2020. 2004 contracts.
Think I'm gonna try a few contracts actually to the upside here. Now that we broke on Tesla here, we tested 1200, guys. See if we could go to the upside here on Tesla.
SPC. 19 calls. July 10th, 2020. 808 contracts. TSLA. 1,500 calls. September 18th, 2020. 426 contracts.
How did everyone do out there on YouTube, guys? Mateo, that's Nvidia's gonna be your new squeeze, bro. Damn, I really want to short the heck out of Tesla, dude. Like, I see it going up, and it's just kind of in between, so I see both ways which way it could go. And now we're printing these. Now we got Keltner dots here in this cross. Dip and rips, he said.
PCG. 11 calls. July 31st, 2020. 1,967 contracts.
Yeah, Charlie, I really like that area, dude. It's just, I really don't want to be in the way of a fucking big ass candle if we get a buyer that comes in here.
380 calls. July 17th, 2020. 500. TCG. 11 calls. July 31st, 2020. 690. TCG. 11 calls. July 31st, 2020. 500 EM. 42.
Sanchez, did you get,
1st, 2020. 609 EM. 42 calls. July 31st, 2020. 1,000
7?
42 calls.
Skip, can you see me now, dude? In the YouTube?
829 contracts. IWM. 138 puts. August 21st, 2020. PCG. 10 calls. July 10th.
Here we go on, okay, cool. Here we go on Tesla, guys. So we got this compression, this cross right here. Here's a good entry to see if we could get a little run up to this 1220. There we go. Honestly, guys, this on Tesla, so this 1200 test was actually a really good area to go the other way. It was just that volume died off.
TSLA. 1,220 calls. July 2nd, 2020. NFLX. 480 puts. July 2nd, 2020. 281.
So right now I'm on Tesla calls based on this break here, this 1210 and this Keltner dots right here, the dots cross, and I'm up like $6 or so right now. It's hard because the market's having a hard time right here too, so
MMM 160 calls. July 10th, 2020. 400 contracts. SWBI. 25 calls.
we get over 1220 to 1225 again on Tesla, guys, we should get cooking here pretty quick.
July 10th, 2020. 597 contracts.
And it's still all red right here, so it's all compression right here on the 5-minute chart. So this could actually still make a pretty nice move here once it gets going.
NIO. 8 calls. July 17th, 2020. 752 contracts.
Short. I could see that, dude. You may want to do like a micro pullback short, but nothing too crazy. So we're gonna start squeezing here. We should start squeezing here, but the thing is, the market's having a hard time here in this area, bro. OKTA, what's that? G. Cloud company.
EM.
Man, you really like waiting till these things get to the bottom, bro, and
514
super
contracts.
patient, dude. Yeah, you'll probably get a nice move on this OKTA, bro. What on which one, Charlie?
PCG. 10 calls. August 21st, 2020. 500 contracts. EM. 42 calls. July 31st, 2020. 1000. QQQ.
You're funny, dude.
106 calls. July 2nd, 2020. 1000. Solo. 5 calls. July 17th, 2020. 1000 contracts.
Hell yeah, bro. We're hitting all kinds of milestones today, bro. Awesome, dude. One thing I do want to bring to your guys' attention though here real quick while I'm in this trade and just chilling is that yeah, a lot of us made really good money today, guys. Vinny, welcome, dude. Welcome to the room, bro. See you in here, bro. Kasanagiz, good morning. Linder, what up, guys? Benitez, what up? I didn't see you guys come in. The thing is that it's not how much money you guys make, bro. It's not how much money you make, it's how much you keep. Remember that, guys. Like, it's good to make the money, bro, but you have to be able to risk manage and keep your money, bro. Once you get that online and you realize it's how much you keep and not how much you make, dude, game changes. Tesla just burning premium here at this point. Fucking sucks, dude.
TTD. 540 calls. July 31st, 2020. 100. PCG. 11 calls. July 31st, 2020. 653 contracts.
Nvidia right here is setting up for another leg, guys. You guys, the way Tesla's acting here is not the same, bro. There's no momentum here at all today, at all. Like when everything else was pushing right at the open, it didn't really follow suit. So this 1220 is definitely going to be an area of interest right here.
Solo. 5 calls. July 17th, 2020. 500 contracts.
All right, so the market's up here said no, way up here towards this 315, above 315, guys. So looking for reversals here.
500 XLNX. 98 calls. July 17th, 2020. 210 contracts.
Skip, was it Skip that said he wanted to get puts right here on Tesla? Who was it that said they wanted to? Charlie. Charlie was. On for Spy or the Tesla? Yeah, so the easy plays are over, guys. If you guys are starting to take new trades, make sure you're lowering your size and nice clean little scalps. I think I'm liking the downside here to Tesla more, guys. I see what you guys are saying, the support. So there's, definitely support here at this 1210-ish area. but we don't have the volume here and the interest anymore to keep on pushing it. So see if we break this 1210 and then 1200, and then we have an air pocket underneath that. So I think I'm gonna play off of that. Keith, what up, dude?
DVRG. 70 calls.
Thank you, Keith. Appreciate it, bro. You could always watch it on the replay. I upload it so you could watch too. Trying to be patient here on this Tesla guy. So I'm looking for this downside. So this we got to these pre-market highs and it said no way. Now we put in this lower high right here. See if we could break this support at this 1210. It's just kind of holding, and I don't like when it's holding support like this. So supervisor called you.
TTD. 530 calls. July 24th, 2020. 150 contracts.
Yeah, Skip. I'm in right now, dude, but this theta is fucking eating me, bro. You gotta break this 1210, and it's holding really, really well. So there we go. Now we're trying. There we go. We broke that.
Scott. 275 calls. July 2nd, 2020. 200 RRC. 5 calls. July 17th, 2020. 500 contracts. PDD. 95 calls. July 17th, 2020. 596 contracts.
I hope we get an epic fucking wash if this theta doesn't eat me alive first. This OKTA is looking pretty good for you here, G. Dude, Tesla's showing some relative strength here, guys, because the market's selling and it doesn't want to get pulled back down on it. So there we go. All right, guys. So we are just chilling here. I'm in this Tesla trade. I think I'm gonna end the YouTube here. See, now I'm getting bull signals, dude. Like all this compression actually to the side right here, but
531 contracts.
Nvidia, how so, dude? You got on that wash or what? Zoom?
XLA, 1,220 calls. July 2nd, 2020. 102 contracts.
Yeah, there goes Zoom, dude. That's a good play right there. Good call out there, Mateo.
Sono, 17 calls. July 17, 2020. 304. Sono, 17 calls. July 17, 2020. 207. Sono, 17 calls. July 17, 2020. 367 contracts.
Yeah, it'd be nice if Tesla followed suit, bro. This Sonos is going crazy, bro. There's just some repeat bull flow here for it.
Sono, 17 calls. July 17, 2020. 384 contracts. Cost, 310 calls. January 15th, 2021.
What happened on Amazon, bro?
PCG, 11 calls. July 31st, 2020. 1,900 contracts.
I'm still in these puts here. 1,200 puts on Tesla, guys. Thing is, the market's coming down pretty nice, and it's having a hard time dragging down Tesla. But I'm playing this bigger move here, guys. If we get below, like I said, this 1,200, we have an air gap to like 1180. At least 1180. Even further than that, like way further than that. They're trying to hold it, bro, but Yeah, I need this thing to get moving, bro. Like,
SPY. 310 puts. July 22nd, 2020. 723 contracts.
there you go. Everything's kind of melting now. Break 314 here on the SPY. Look at this melt off on the market. Let's go. Come on. Charlie had the right idea right here, bro. I was like, oh man, I don't know, Charlie. We might go the other way, but Charlie was pretty spot on this call here. Uh, the expiration on my puts that I have is today. That's why I'm getting fucked right now. Another $20 in the swear jar. Yeah, 1,200 puts, bro. Man, these fuckers stop buying. All right, so at this point, I'm really going against my rule of walking into profit quickly, guys. I mean, the trade is in my favor, which I mean, I could use it as like, the price point is below my entry, but a false breakout. What do you mean, bro? I apologize on the camera, dude. You guys can't really see me that well. You get like a light.
MMF 160 calls. July 17th, 2020. 116 contracts.
Here comes this buy again. Honestly, if you guys are looking on the screen right here, this is a 5-minute chart, and you see all this Keltner firing off right here, bro. This is a really good bull signal here to the upside, but let's see if we could break it again. Oh, I'm in the green. There we go. Yeah, I'm leaning towards the word breaking, bro. What do you mean put yourself in a hole, Option King? Boeing? Looks like it's moving slow as hell, bro. It's down here towards the support at 182 again.
260 calls. July 17, 2020. 2,086 contracts.
Oh, damn. Here we go. All that 6 before the weekend? What do you mean, bro? There you go. There's the 1200 break. They're trying to hold it. Let's see. Keep going.
1,160 puts. July 10, 2020. 369 contracts.
Come on, give me like a $5 wash. It'd be freaking awesome. There we go. We break 1197. We're toast, I believe. Right? 1197. There we go. Yeah, fuck you guys, dude.
NIR. 9 puts. July 17, 2020. 500 contracts.
Alright, it's actually 1196.29, dude. Come on, dude. If the market could take a nosedive at this point, dude, it would help me a lot. Yeah, this was a risky trade, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this was a risky trade, and I actually lost 3K trying it the first time. In this area, I lost 3K on this little bounce up on this first time where I tried it. I just got out, dude. My audio, if you're listening to the audio on YouTube, there is some latency in it. I just got out here towards this 1195 and watch it fucking break now. But it's trying to reclaim this 1200, and I don't like that. So, and then the SPY is not helping, dude. It's trying to break above the 314 as well. Yeah, so I didn't get that nice clean wash like I wanted, you know what I mean? So take my money and run on it. Dude, I really want it to break and get that air pocket down, dude. See, there's the SPY breaking up above and it reclaiming. I'm not mad at it, dude. That was a nice like $10, $15 trade, but that theta got me, bro. An air pocket, bro. So let's talk about this. This is a good question here, bro.
1070 calls. July 2nd, 2020.
So we're gonna talk about this, and then I'm gonna cut the stream. It will be done for the day, done for the week. Everyone could go blow up some shit for the 4th of July. And there's that reclaim, bro. So very, I'm not mad at that trade, bro. So this is the best way visually to be able to see it here, dude.
SPY. 320 calls. July 10th, 2020.
Nvidia, dude. Nvidia's trying to make another move.
SPY. 320 calls. July 10th, 2020. 2,000 contracts.
So you see right here where all this volume is being done on Tesla, bro.
SPY.
Oh, my computer's going slow as hell. So this is all the volume that's being done according to price on this level.
2,000
So you see that, right? So right here, there's nothing, dude. There's nothing right here. So if we were to break, you see where right here where we just traded this right here in this level,
175
the support level.
July 10th, 2020.
If we would break that, there's nothing here to hold us from going all the way down here towards this 1130, 1140. So that's the area to look at. Like if we get close to that line again, you could grab some puts on that breakout, bro, and probably maybe later on the day today, or maybe even on Monday next week. Usually gaps do not like to stay open like this, dude. They go back and they test. So I am betting that this does go ahead and come down. I just have to be aware when it's going to happen. So when this happens, dude, you get this gap like this. This is a good move, bro.
ANCN. 3,000 calls.
Yeah, good job, Charlie. That was a nice trade, dude.
57 contracts.
No, great question, Aces. Let's talk about that as well. So just like I was trading here, trading Tesla right now, I was in from like 10-15, bro, and I only made, and I say only, bro, but I made like $20-some hundred on that trade. If this would have been Monday or Tuesday, that would have been like a $10,000 trade, bro. So, So with that being said, right, on Thursdays and Fridays, and then especially on short weeks like this, because we don't have an extra day to trade. On the short weeks like this, the theta works a little bit wonky, where it decays a little bit faster, and then so on Thursdays or Fridays, or like on a short week like this, generally, like if you're gonna be if you're looking at a trade and there's not really momentum, like I just traded Tesla, you'd be looking at the next week's expiration. So the next week's expiration is not gonna decay like that for you, and it's not gonna hold so heavy. So you could buy those. They're going to be a little bit more expensive, but your trade is going to go a lot better for you and hold in the money a lot better once it gets there. So that's a great question, dude. So on Thursdays and Fridays, if we don't have any type of like momentum or direction, then you have to buy the next week's expiration. If you do have a quick, move, you know what I mean? If you're just getting in for a quick scalp or whatever it is, then absolutely go ahead and take the same week expiration. The indicator right here, this is called volume profile, bro, and this is already put into Thinkorswim. This is already put into Thinkorswim by default. So you just type in volume profile, and it's in there. And I actually like using this more for a macro output or outlook, I should say. Excuse me, output. Oh my god, what the fuck? There's another thing for the swear jar, dude. So like this shows where the big support and volume is. The way volume profile works is that price action is always attracted to places of high levels of interest where it's done business before. So, I mean, we're up here at this top. If I really wanted to, guys, like, to get maybe some August sometime expirations or something like that, I bet you we're back down here towards 900 or so by that time. Does someone want to bet me? So someone bet me some wings like Dane did the other day. But I bet you we get back towards here, this 1,900 area, right? Or excuse me, 900 area, and then back down here to this 800. I promise you, probably. I don't know if the time, dude. All my profits going in the swear jar, dude. Yeah, bro. They're gonna put a plaque on the wall for me at St. Jude's. I don't know on TradingView. Do you guys have Do you guys have volume profile on TradingView? Sorry, I don't really use TradingView. Maybe one of my guys here. I think one of my guys uses TradingView in the room. Mateo uses TradingView. Do you have a volume profile there, bro? It blows my mind anytime I pull up volume profile how many people haven't seen it. But it's a very useful tool. It's a very, very, very useful tool, especially if you want to take a swing trade. I like it for swing trades and macro outlook, like I was saying.
153 contracts.
My audio is behind by like 3 minutes. Here in the room too? Yeah, I can see right here on YouTube, dude. It's actually telling me it's having a hard time. So, um, that's that stream life. So here we are again at this at 1200 again here on Tesla, guys. So I mean, we may get the move right now. So, I dare try again? I'll try it again, guys. Let me see. I want to see it break this 1200 pretty nice. Yeah, I'm sorry, Anmol. I don't know on TradingView, dude, how the volume profile works. Maybe there's like you could download it or something. All right, gonna try this Tesla again for this break of 1200 one more time, guys, and if not, I'll just go ahead and get out and call it a day. But the market's selling off again. So if the market doesn't break this 313.60, then I'll just get out of this Tesla trade. But if it starts dumping below that, it should drag it down. Yeah, so like so that's like if you also as well, like when we get into earnings season, so I would always get burned trading up to earnings. And then what'll happen is you get a nice fucking gap for earnings, whether it be to the upside or downside, and then you could just play that mean reversion in the gap after earnings, and that's usually a pretty nice trade. Yeah, earnings usually are not that good, dude. So yeah, that's exactly what we're talking about, Linder. So we're talking about that gap, it wanting to fill it right now. Oh, now we're getting a little bit of interest here on Tesla to the upside, guys. Got to break over this 1205 though, and the SPY is coming back down. So yeah, it's still going down, dude. So come on, Tesla. I don't have the size I did earlier now. I'm just was playing safe, but it'll be a nice trade if it breaks it. It'll be a nice trade just because of the sheer volatility that will go. This is cool. Now you guys, this is a really teachable moment where you guys are going to be able to see this. If it does break, you'll see how fast it moves to the downside right here. Watch. Richie. What happened, bro? All right, here we go. Now we're having a party. Yeah, just be careful, dude, because there's still we're betting against the consensus here, Option King. All these buy the dippers over here. Yeah, yeah. If Amazon breaks below this 2910 or so, you got to get below 2900 first, and then you have red to green line. You have more support on Amazon than you do on Tesla, though. Kind of sucks. It's still trying to hold, guys. Like this. Like I said, that's your level of interest there. Everyone knows if it breaks that level, dude, we're going for a ride. 500 on that? Hell yeah, Option King. What's a swing trade? A swing trade is anything that you hold more than one trading session, so overnight. There we go. 190, 1193. There we go. Now we're definitely below that line. So if we could get one more wash here on the SPY.
JPM. 100 calls. July 17, 2020. 750 contracts. TGIF. 11 calls. July 31st, 2020. 500 contracts.
Oh, everyone's about to be a bag holder here now. Yeah, I heard. I see a lot of people on Twitter trading that net. I haven't pulled up the chart for it, but I see a lot of people pulling up that or playing NET. I need to like set some alerts and walk away instead of watching every little tick of this thing, dude. As per this gap, dude, a lot, bro. A lot. So 1140 would be so first 1150 and then probably 11, yeah, about 1140, bro. So you're talking about a good $50 or so. You're a little bit late, Anmal. You're late on that position, bro. We're the only room that's probably betting against Tesla, dude. Yeah, dude. We'll definitely bounce, dude. Once we break this 1190, I believe we'll get a nice little wash, and then a bounce. I'm just gonna get out, dude. I'm over here stressing out over penny. I say pennies, but I mean it's not worth the emotional capital I'm putting into this. Yeah, I covered right there, guys. So that'll put me green on that trade on that strike or whatever. So that's pretty cool. And I had a monster day, dude. I had a nice day. I just checked my P&L. So if you guys want to take a look, I think I hit 100%. Yep, 100% today. I could say 100% on the positions. I guess not necessarily on the trades. I did take a red trade. Oh, you motherfucker, bro. I swear if you break right now. Amazon is about to break right here. It doesn't even matter, dude, but yep, there it goes. Watch it break this right here. Yeah, Amazon's breaking. Tesla will break right here too once it breaks 1190, bro. So I've basically smacked around Elon both ways today, so up and down. Oh no, I won't say that, dude. I only made 55 bucks on that on the downturn. There it is. There it is. What a beautiful trade, guys. Thank you for coming to my stream here today, but we called this here at Charlie, especially at 12:15. 12:15 we were talking about this this move here on Tesla, guys, where everyone was probably still looking for this to go up. Even I got in a little bit on that bounce. But once we started putting in that lower high, and if you take a look and you just analyze the overall chart today, it did not move anything at all. Anything at all like the last 2 days. So definitely time to start selling. So that was a really nice trade there from 12:15 to 12:90, or excuse me, 11:90. So $15. That's 25 bucks. So Awesome. Very nice. And then it's just keep on going. So this looks like it's going to go pretty slow. Actually, here there's still people that are still trying to buy. So, but it should actually start accelerating here a little bit. Here in a little bit. But this, like I said, that gap, if you're patient enough for it, 1140 is your profit target if you're in this and looking for that gap. 1150 first. Excuse me. The fib line here at 1160, 1150, and then 1140 is your absolute get out. All right, guys. So everyone on YouTube, I appreciate you guys being here, guys. I was gonna show you guys my P&L here before I go. So this is my P&L up 14,285. I made 7,000 yesterday, I do believe. So 7,000, I made 4,000 yesterday. So I'm already up 18,000 on the month of July. So it doesn't show you. Oh yeah, so on the screen thing on the recording software, it only shows the software, like the Thinkorswim. So yeah, Charlie, great call on your first day in here, bro. I appreciate you being here, dude. I know we're talking back and forth. We're talking about fifth gen F bodies and all that. So pretty cool, dude. I really appreciate you guys being here. But yeah, it won't show my P&L because it's only recording the Thinkorswim screen. It doesn't do it the other way, but I'm going to go post my P&L right now on Twitter if you guys want to go see it. But $14,285 here, guys. You guys all watched me trade it live here the last couple hours. So Sunday Stockcast, guys, 8 p.m. Eastern. We will be here for free live. We will get ready for the trading week. I'm excited for next week because with all this extension, if everything could kind of stay up today, we will definitely have some good moves, probably to the downside or so into next week. So you guys take it easy. Have a good, safe 4th of July, all right? And if you guys are drinking, guys, make sure you guys are designating a driver. I know like Uber does free codes and stuff like for the holiday weekends. Please use a designated driver, guys. And I'm into pyro shit too. I like blowing shit up. I like my guns. Make sure you guys are staying safe, all right? I was actually listening to the police scanner last night. Someone blew up their house here in Albuquerque playing with down fireworks. So but we'll see you guys at the Stockcast on Sunday, guys, all right?